Good morning, it's Bev at Planet Crochet. This morning I'd like to show you my latest creation, but this is, as you can see, it's not yarn. It is material, and that's this rainbow cushion. That one and the B1 are store-bought, so they're just what we use on our couch, so I just thought it'd be nice to have something pretty in the video. Anyway, this is just a plain 14-inch inner pad inner, you know, your cushion inner. The cushion cover is what I made last week. I have sewn since school. I'm now in my early 50s. So over the years I've created garments, dresses, mainly for myself. I've not done it for anyone else. I did the odd child one for friends. But I am in no way a seamstress. I am a hobby crafter, if you like, and I've always liked to dabble in different things. And I saw some fat quarters in a local store, and I thought, oh, they look nice. I could do that for my grandchildren. Make little cushions that will go on their beds later on in life when they're a little bit bigger. And then when I went to a local store, I saw this rainbow, which that is what our grandchildren are. They are rainbow babies, and I thought that would be nice, fitting tribute. So I bought this material. The back of it, I don't really want to get myself in the video, but is plain white. I do have, at the moment, 3 colours to do the back of a cushion. Grey, that white, and an ivory colour. The fronts, I have this rainbow material, and I can get more of this. So I have, on my Etsy store, I've put this in now, and I've put photos of the different yarns, sorry, not yarns, because I'm used to yarn, materials I have, but they will be limited because I don't know if I can get them again. Now on my Etsy I have put cushion cover only. I haven't done with a pad, but I can do that with an extra cost, which I have put on my Etsy store. I'll put a link below to my Etsy. If you want to head over there, then you can see the actual, I have some superheroes. I have Baby Yoda, I think it's called. I don't watch it. I think that's what it's called. And what's the other one? Oh, princesses. But if you head over to my Etsy, show me some love, and go and have a look on it's my latest listing, and I have that's on there. You'll see this cushion, so it's not hard to miss. So I bought these pad inners before I listed my Etsy shop. I just thought I'd see what the quality was like, and they're great. So I can and I will make the odd cushions with inner pads. Like I said, if you want, it is a cushion cover purchase, but if you want a pad inside. So on there I have gone 10-inch to 16-inch, I believe, because these fat quarters are not, I couldn't get any bigger cushion out of. Now I can get other materials, so if you would like something different, I will go and see if I can source it. The material, just leave me a message on my Etsy or in this video down below, or head over to my Instagram, because I will post on Instagram. Well, I have posted this. I did it yesterday, this cushion. So anything I sew, anything I create will be on definitely be on my Instagram, and if it's sellable, it will be on my Etsy. As I've said in other videos, anything I've created on my Instagram may not be on my Etsy store because I've not long had my Etsy store. At the end of this video, I will do a small little video on the materials, but otherwise, if you head over on my Etsy, yeah, so just thought I'd show you what I've been creating and what I've done behind the scenes. I am doing some of the yarn projects. I'm making a husband a product for his wild camping, and I'm also making something as well that I would like to put on my Etsy store. So that will be out soon. I will make a video definitely on that and on what I'm making for my husband. But for this morning, I just thought I would share my latest creation with you and hopefully hear from you either in the comment section or over on my Instagram. So from me, Bev at Planet Crochet, I'll catch you in another video. Bye for now. I thought I'd show you my yarn. So I forgot to mention I have Pawpatrol. So that could be a cushion bigger than 16 inch. Just put that to the side. As you can see, this is quite bold. This is the superheroes, and there are 5 different designs in the superheroes. Because my children are grown now, I don't have any clue of most of the new superheroes. I know the old ones, like the Hulk. And then I've got the Baby Yoda again. So I have this on this one. So I've obviously been making something, as you can see, that's why it's like this. And I've hung them like this with a hanger. Don't know if anybody else does it, because I've ironed it because it was creased, because being fat quarters they're folded up for such a length of time. So I do have another set of 5 of that, and this one is the princesses one, plain blue, and then you've got the 4 princesses together. That's more of a floral theme with bows and crowns. Now that's an unusual one. That is the outline of princesses in a bit of an orange colour. Now my daughter used to love orange, she would have probably picked that one. And there's another one at the bottom. So there's 5 of each, but like I said, I'm limited to how many I can get of these. I can't just get a load of stock and just hopefully keep it. But if you want a material, leave a message below Instagram or on my Etsy store. I'll leave a link below, and these are the 3 back. So I have white, ivory, and a grey, pale grey. I thought I would keep it that way for now. Don't go too much with colours, and plus there's only so much I can keep in the house. I don't want to have loads of material because we are limited in space. So I just thought I'd show you me materials that I have. But yeah, I love that Pawpatrol. Definitely going to make a cushion for stock in that. Catch you again. Bye for now.